Good afternoon, S.L.R communications, and we're all completed. The reversing camera is obviously all powered up. We've got the DVR system up on the shelf, all powering up. We've also got cameras at the front, cameras at the rear. Also we've got reversing sensors, so we just put the vehicle in reverse, and obviously we can just check on the camera how far we're going back. There we go, so there's your sensors working, back into first. So yeah, just give you a quick demonstration, obviously, what we've done at the back. So obviously, parking sensors, rear camera,